Mike Sloan here, Southwestern Ontario realtor specializing in premium beach house locations at the best beaches in the province. For perspective and comparison, I've opened this video presentation with a beach in California, this forever sandy shoreline. Gotcha, this is not California. This is Ipperwash, Ontario, home to one of our province's most spectacular beaches. And just steps to those sparkling shores of southern Lake Huron and tucked away in a quiet Ipperwash Beach neighborhood in between all the necessities you'll need in Grand Bender Forest, this is even better than California, and a lot more affordable too. The friendly price may surprise you on this 6-bedroom assembly nestled into this breathtaking, fully fenced property peppered with mature pines and stunning outdoor living space. Wait until you see the well-kept and fully winterized 4-season 5-bedroom beach house plus the outdoor shower and bunky, so you get 6 bedrooms in total. We'll get there in just a second. In the meantime, I felt it was imperative to give the property itself a bit more love in my video presentation, as it was this large piece of land coming in at nearly half an acre of natural beauty and privacy that truly hypnotized me during my first site visit. This setting is magical, and while you can always tinker around and fix up a house, you can't fix a location, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is a premium location for the price. At the same time, are you looking at the photos of this 4-season home? Not bad at all. Rock-solid open-concept living area with a respectable kitchen that can handle those large family groups, 2 bathrooms plus an outdoor shower, and of course, maximum sleeping quarters for those busy family weekends with 5 bedrooms in the main house plus the bunky. This is also an ideal assembly for owners looking to capitalize on rental income, which even has winter potential, as this is an insulated and heated home with the gas fireplace doing most of the work. And of course, the best part, this ridiculously short 3-minute walk down to an epic beach. All in all, a phenomenal package with lots of extras included. Call me for pricing information and a private tour today before it's too late. I'm Mike Sloan, and I'll see you at the beach.